Welcome to my first video. My channel name is Power of Patience. The theme of this channel is to check the patience of the person doing market. So to have profits, we must have the patience during the market hours. If we are impatient to wait, we do not wait for our chance, or we do not wait for stock to come to the support or resistance, we directly buy or sell it before it comes to the particular resistance or support. So that is nothing but an impatient person. So you must wait for your chance. When the stock is falling, you must wait till the support comes. So after getting the stock to the support, you must think or you must observe the pattern that are happening at the support. So at that time you can have the decision of buying or selling of that particular stock. Same thing will be for the resistance. Now the important candlestick patterns that we will see here, that all candlestick patterns will see one by one. Now first, bearish candlestick pattern. It will appear at the top of uptrend. So this is very important. Bearish candlestick patterns will appear at the top of uptrend or at the resistance. Now you can see here the the particular stock. Actually, this is an Nifty chart. Now you can see the Nifty is coming down and going up. It is taking support at these 2 points. Again, it is going up, but it has faced the resistance at this particular point. Now again, it is rejected from this and it has taken a support, and again it has taken the bounce from here. But when it comes to the resistance zone, it is get rejected. Now you must observe this particular zone. When stock or any indices comes here, will have some indications. Now again this stock will come down and it will again it may break or it may bounce back, but you need to observe here. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support. So you must have these things in mind, that whenever you enter in the market, you want to buy or sell, maybe a stock, maybe an options. So you must wait for this particular zone or this particular zone. In between, suppose you have taken this short trade here or long trade here, in between you don't know where the market will go, but you know that this is resistance, and market 99% it will come down, but 1% it will go up. And it's okay. No one is 100% guaranteed that the market will be rejected from this resistance, or it will be uh, bounce back from the support. So that's why this SL is there. Okay, so stop losses are there, they are meant for there. Okay, now you must be clear about this support and resistance. Now coming to the bearish candlestick pattern, that is first is bearish harami. This is one of my favorite candlestick pattern, and it will appear at the top of uptrend or at the resistance level. Now here you can see this is a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. So this candle appears like the stock is breaking the resistance with a force, but at the same time after this second candle will be followed by the and bearish candle. So this is a bearish harami pattern. Now you can see in the chart pattern here, when the stock goes up here, it faces resistance and comes down. Again it takes support from here and it goes up. But this zone actually is a resistance zone. Now you can see this is a bullish candle here. It is happening like bullish candle, and so many retailers or these players will be get trapped here because the pattern showing that the fully bullish candle is there, but at the same time, after the same time, you can realize that the market is coming downward. So this is why it's happening, because lot of the lot of the players are selling the stocks here, or the indices, or the P or C's, like this you can see here. Now next thing, you can see how the market reacts when the support broken, market come down. So this is a bearish harami pattern. Now next is a bearish engulfing pattern. Now you can see this is a bullish pattern, bullish candle, and it is completely engulfed by the second candle, that is in bearish. So this is a bearish engulfing pattern. So you must see this pattern at the resistance or the top of the trend. There is no meaning that finding this particular pattern at the bottom or at the support. Okay. Now look at this in the chart pattern, actual chart pattern. This stock goes upward, and when this happens, like here we can see this is the bullish candle and it is engulfed by the bearish candle pattern. Now the stock goes down, again it's taken the support from this level and gone upward. Again here the same pattern happen, and the rest of the thing you can see here how the candlestick pattern are very important. Again you can see here this pattern is also there. Okay, so this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Next is evening star. So evening star, you can see this is in bullish, this is in another bullish small candle and followed by the bearish candlestick pattern. Look at in the chart. So this is in bullish candle, this is in like doji candle is there, not doji exactly. Okay, and they followed by the bearish candlestick. Now when you see here, when the break of this particular candle takes place, you can short it here and you can take a stop loss here, and you can take a move, you can ride this move. This is a bearish candlestick pattern, that is evening star. Three black crows, another bearish candlestick pattern. Three candles one by one, these are the bearish candlestick pattern, and they are confirming that the trend is going to be a bearish. This will happen at the top or at the resistance. Now you can see here these three patterns, three candles are there, and the break of this three candles, you can see break of these three low of the three candles will be an shorting pattern opportunity. Okay, next is hanging man, one of my favorite, hanging man. You can see this may be an we can say this may be in white or the green, or it may be in red. Okay, if it is in red, that is in confirming that. Now you can see you can see this when there is a pressure, upward pressure is applied there. Okay, but they fail to continue that particular uptrend. By the breaking of this low of this particular candle, you can short it here. Now you can see here this is an hanging man, and breaking of this particular line, this particular candle, low of this particular candle, then you can short it here. Okay, shooting star, inverted hammer, we can say that. So this is a shooting star, you can see here. This is a shooting star. That is very much pressure is applied at the resistance level. This is resistance level. When the market opens, now you can see how the scale selling is there. Again market goes up to this particular level, but it is again rejected. So this is okay. This candlestick is okay here because this is a resistance area. This is resistance zone. And when this happens, you can short below this particular line. You can write this particular moment. Evening doji star. Now you can see this is a bullish candle. This is a doji and the bearish candle. Bullish candle, doji and the bearish candle. You can short below this particular white candle or the green candle, and you can take the complete move here. This is evening doji star pattern. Bearish spinning top. This is a bearish spinning top. You can see here. This is a bearish spinning top. This is happening at the resistance level, or you can say resistance zone. See, zone is not a particular line. It will be a zone. It will be an area. We cannot say this particular point is a resistance line or this point is particular resistance line. No, we cannot say. There will be a zone. Okay. So this is an bearish spinning top. Now breaking of this particular low by this line. Okay, so you can put the stop loss upside and you can short it here. Gravestone doji. So this is another gravestone doji, that is a bearish candlestick pattern. Now you can see in the chart that this is a bearish gravestone doji. Okay, so below this you can short, and above this you can have these stop loss. Now next is a bullish candlestick pattern. So this will be appearing at the bottom of the trend. Now how you can decide the trend is in bottom? Now the bottom is formed. There will be some supports will be there. Support zone will be there. So that time you can see the bottom of that particular trend. Okay. So bullish candle will appear at that particular zone only. First is bullish harami. So exactly opposite to bearish harami, there is a bullish harami. You can see this is a complete bearish candle happening at this support, but at the same time another candle is followed by the your white or the green candle. So this is bullish harami. Now this is a support zone. You can see the breaking of that support zone is seems to be happen here. Okay, market has shown that the support is broken, but now you can see here this is bearish and this is you can see bullish candle, and next move you can see here how the move is happening. So this is when the maximum retailers or the maximum uh, buyers, or we can say sellers, are trapped here. Okay, maximum sellers will be trapped here. After that market will go upside. So this is bullish harami. Bullish engulfing pattern. So this is a bearish candle followed by the complete white candle. It is engulfing the earlier candle. Now you can see in the chart pattern. Now this is in support zone. Okay, this is support zone. In this zone, this bearish candle is completely engulfed here. Same thing here. This candle is engulfed here. Okay. So the rest of the thing we can book the profit in this particular zone because the rejection is happening at this particular zone here. Okay, so we can write this till this one. Morning star. So this is in bearish candle followed by small bearish candle followed by the bullish candle. Now you can see this is support zone, and in this particular support zone what is happening? The bearish candle is there, small bearish candle and the bullish candle. Now break of this particular bearish candle upside, then you can have the buy order. See, Another thing is there is a W pattern. So breaking of this W pattern will not get the trade, maybe because this, now you can see this move. This move can't be, we cannot take the trade here. So rather we just take the trade here and we'll ride it. So this is very important to have the candlestick pattern in your mind. Three white shoulders. So white candles are there, consequent white, three white candles. You can see three white candles. So breaking of this upside, you can get an uptrend here. You can buy above this and take a stop loss here. You can take 1:2 ratio, 1:1.5, 1:2, 1:3. Okay, but you can book the profit above between this zone also. Okay, but after breaking that particular zone, you can again take a trade. Inverted hammer. I'm not recommending to have the multiple trades. Okay, see, you must be disciplined that you must take a single trade or it may be a maximum double trade. Okay, inverted hammer. So fully pressure is applied here at the support zone. You can see this is support zone, and the market shown that the market tries to go downward, but look at the second candle, how the second candle is there. So breaking of this particular top of this hammer above top, then you can have the move. You can write this particular move. You can keeping the stop loss below this, keeping the stop loss below this, and you can have the 1:2, 1:3. Now this is a resistance zone from this market has rejected, so you can book the profits here. Okay, we cannot capture the complete move, we cannot capture the complete move. Okay, so whatever the profits have come, 1:1, 1:2, 1:1.5, you can have the booking of the profits. Morning doji star, you can see bearish candle, doji, bullish candle. Same thing here, you can see in the chart box, chart. This is in zone, that is in support zone, and this is in morning doji star. And look at the move. This is very important to stick with the candlestick pattern when we try to have the trade. Bullish spinning top. You can see this is a bullish spinning top. This is happening at the support zone. Okay, so we have taken support here, here. So this complete is a support zone. Okay, so this is happening at this particular point, and this low of this spinning top is spinning bottom is not particularly broken by this particular candle. Now you can look at the move, how this move is coming. So a lot of retailers or a lot of traders are trapped here. They have sold this particular stock at this point, but now all the stop losses are triggered here. That's why the uh, major move has come in a shorter time. So this is bullish spinning top. Dragonfly doji, you can see wow, the pressure is there at the support. Market wants to go down, but because of the buyers the market goes upside, and they have taken the support here and moved upside. So this is dragonfly doji. Okay, so these are all the bullish patterns and the bearish patterns, all about this. Hope you all like this particular video. Thank you so much. You can like, subscribe, and pass on to the friends. You can share it to the other friends. Okay, thank you, thank you. We'll meet in the next video.